Hey everybody, and welcome back. Brian Fox here with your coronavirus real estate report, and our goal, as always, is to reduce panic through information education. And today we're going to talk about the idea of staying safe and successfully selling your home. We reported in the past on a concept called normalization, and as this market becomes a bit more normalized, as we get back to work, as the government releases us, we're going to have some systems in place to make sure that things are safe. And that is also as it pertains to your house and selling it. So we want to give you some understanding of what that's going to look like and how to protect yourself. So the first is, this in no way is a recommendation to stop obeying any stay-at-home orders. The first thing on our list is obey all stay-at-home orders and do what's within the rights and reasons of the Department of Real Estate and what you can and cannot do when it comes to selling your home. But after that, here are some systems you can use. First, use all the proper documents that the Department of Real Estate has released. We have several documents as it pertains to entering the property. They are waivers, they are declarations, they're there to protect everyone involved. Have every single person who comes in the property sign their own document. One thing that we are also doing is collecting a copy of the driver's license during the email, so we have that so we know who's coming in the door. The second thing is go virtual first. What you want to do is look at everything you can in the form of virtual reality, 3D tours, video walkthroughs, photography, Google Maps, everything you can do to get a sense of the property so you know what you're looking at. Use the visit to the property as the last resort. Up next, all visitors are to wear protective gear. So in this day and age, what that's going to mean is protective face masks. It's going to mean gloves. We're not using booties unless it's required by the seller, and the reason why is because if booties in their property, they are now exposed to what's in the property and someone is putting them on their feet and touching them with their hands. So you don't have to do that, it's personal preference, but we are doing the first two, gloves and masks. No more than 2 people in the home at a time. Now this is coming down from the Department of Real Estate at this time. It is subject to change, of course, but right now only 2 people in the house at a time, which means the agent may not be there, the couple may be there, one or the other, we're not sure, but only 2 people in the house at a time, and they can take turns. Gloves and masks always, we discussed that, and all lights on and all doors that are used for access to other parts of the house, which they are going to need to see, are open. The reason why we do this is because we do not want anybody touching anything when they're in the property, just for cross-contamination. It's just safer for all parties. So all lights on, all doors open, agent steps outside, they get to see the property, and on we go. And then agent is present for all showings. We are present for every showing of every property we have. It doesn't matter if it's a big house or a small lease, we are there. And we're there for 2 reasons. 1, to make sure all lights are on and doors are open. And 2 is to make sure that we have the proper forms and check IDs for whoever goes in, which brings us to our last one, check ID. We want to make sure that the documents we are using cover the property in which we are showing for the people that are coming in. We've had a handful of people who have given us stories until the people come up and they don't have gloves, they don't have masks. It's not that person, the other 2 people didn't sign something. The reality is not everyone has the same standards you have, and you should have the most strict standards as it is your property. That's the only way you can protect yourself and protect others in a time that's going to become very uncertain for a lot of people, and we don't know what's going to happen after the fact. So, in a nutshell, this is the best practice we think you should use to successfully sell your home and stay safe. Now that doesn't change the fact that you want to do all the proper photography and proper marketing. That stuff needs to happen, but stay safe in the process. Once again, Brian Fox, I'm here with the Coronavirus Real Estate Report. If you have anything that you need, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Check out the links below for resources from today's talk, and we'll see you soon.